My story of getting involved in this community resource management started over 20 years ago. One day, a friend of mine knocked on the door. He talked to me about some of the challenges that I know existed in my community, and my community was trying to address those problems. He asked me that, the community wants to do something about it, but they're looking for someone. I'm a carpenter by trade. I don't know anything about conservation, resource management. What really touched me, that allowed me to say yes, is that it's an opportunity to help my community. The community of practice is really critical in the Pacific because each individual, including myself, I'm an investment of many years of grants and partner support. This knowledge is so critical in helping the next generation who will come after us make good decisions, apply effective knowledge for success. Many of our elders are passing on, and we feel really sad because huge wisdom is gone. Let's make sure that we set ourselves up so that we continue to transfer knowledge to the next generation, and we can say we did a good job. Ali, my name is Wayne Andrew, and I am a proud CBFM practitioner.